I'm Rachel Ngom from She'sMakingImpact.com, and today I want to answer your question. This comes from Cass Taylor, and she says, I need advice on trying to keep my blog post on one subject. I tend to end up rambling and then spend so long editing, I either have not much left or I give up. So I want to share with you kind of my exact process when I write a blog post. So I have the title, and then I break it up into sub-headlines. So let's say I'm writing a post on 5 ways to use keywords on Pinterest. Let's use that example off the top of my head. So I would break it up to way number 1, like how I would use keywords on Pinterest number 1. And so that would be the main headline. And then I would do number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So that way I have the title of the blog post, I have a little space for an intro, I have my 5 main points, and then I put a little space for a conclusion. And I have the entire outline of that blog post done. I do that actually Sunday night, and then Monday I sit down and actually write that blog post. So then when it's time for me to write, I have an exact plan of what I'm going to write about. So it really cuts down on the rambling. I think if you just show up with a blank piece of paper and then say, what am I going to write about today? That's when you end up rambling and you really get off track. If you have a clear point and a clear purpose of what it is that you're going to accomplish, you'll be much more succinct and get a lot more content in your blog post, a lot more meat in there that's really going to help add value to your ideal client. So I hope you found that helpful. If you haven't yet signed up for my free Pinterest masterclass, just go to freepinterestclass.com and I'll see you there. Bye.